Hello all, welcome to this channel. In our previous video, we have learned how to use Sumif. Now let's continue and check. Let's continue and see how to copy and paste the formula in order to get our totals for all our list of items. Okay, for example, we already got the total of apple. In the same way, we want the total of banana, orange, pineapple, and mango. So this is our formula. We cannot directly copy and paste like this. It is not valid. The formula will go wrong. Why? I will tell you. For example, this is our formula. Okay, this is our formula. See the range. Range is starting from first, uh, first row of items and first row of quantity. Okay, but when you copied and pasted, okay, it has changed to second. You understand? So like this, if you continue copying and pasting, this is a small data. When it is a big data, you cannot just copy and paste like this. If you do that, your formula will go wrong. Your figures will not come correctly. So there is a way to copy and paste the formula. How? I will tell you. For example, let's delete this. Okay, this is our formula. So what we need to do, we need to lock this range data and some range data. This has to be locked. Okay, when it is locked, then our formula will be correct wherever you copy and wherever you paste. Okay, so how to lock it? It is so simple. Just come, just okay, otherwise it will be much easier for you to understand. Open fx, you will see a pop-up window like this. Okay, select this and F4 from your keyboard, press F4, so dollar signs will come. This means the data is locked. This data is locked. This data will never change even if you copy and paste into your into the other cells. Okay, in the same way, for criteria you should not log, because criteria is changing every time. Every cell criteria is changing. For example, our criteria was apple, then second criteria was banana. So when you copy and paste in banana cell, it will automatically pick that particular banana, and based on that the formula gives the results. So do not lock the criteria. Okay, then again some range also you can lock, because it is a full data. Then ox click on OK, and you will get this formula ready. Now ready to copy and paste. So once we are done with this, then you just copy, paste, 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 paste. Now, as I have showed you, it started from A4, okay, A4, okay, and C4, okay. Now, when we come to banana, again started from A4 and C4, okay, orange, A4, C4, like this. And for confirmation, you just check the totals. 329 here, 329 here. All right. So perfectly, we have done our conditional sums, which is called sumif, okay, and found our figures for our items across all cities, what is being sold. In the same way, we are going to do the sum of value. How we are going to do? Same thing, nothing big, just we are going to copy this, okay, and we are going to paste here, okay. Then this quantity we change it to value, then enter. That's it. Copy and paste. And that's it. Copy and paste for confirmation. Yeah, the value is 22,920. Perfect.